Most tourists visit famous landmarks in Italy. Most tourists visit famous landmarks in Italy.
Students often work part-time jobs during university. Students often work part-time jobs during university.
New technology helps people communicate more effectively now. New technology helps people communicate more effectively now.
Air pollution is a major problem worldwide today. Air pollution is a major problem worldwide today.
Coffee shops have become popular places to meet. Coffee shops have become popular places to meet.
Children learn by playing with friends outside. Children learn by playing with friends outside.
Eating healthy food is essential for growth. Eating healthy food is essential for growth.
Traveling to new countries can be expensive always. Traveling to new countries can be expensive always.
The best way to travel is by train. The best way to travel is by train.
People often look back at their childhood memories. People often look back at their childhood memories.
Eating too much sugar can harm your body. Eating too much sugar can harm your body.
Most students live with family members after college. Most students live with family members after college.
Good mental health is crucial for happiness now. Good mental health is crucial for happiness now.
New ideas are created in a brainstorming session. New ideas are created in a brainstorming session.
Schools are usually open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Schools are usually open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m.
The main reason people study hard is success. The main reason people study hard is success.
Most companies prioritize innovation and customer satisfaction always. Most companies prioritize innovation and customer satisfaction always.
Eating too little food can lead to weakness. Eating too little food can lead to weakness.
Children develop skills by playing with dolls. Children develop skills by playing with dolls.
Air traffic control is an important job function. Air traffic control is an important job function.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.